part. In Lebanese dialect, we have greetings that are suitable for most situations, both formal and informal, whether addressing a stranger or family or friends. We will start with the first greeting, which is good morning. Sabah al-khair, Sabah al-khair, which means good morning. The response for good morning is Sabah al-nur. Sabah al-nur means bright morning. Literally, it means bright morning. So, Sabah al-nur. Let's repeat. Sabah al-khair. The one who wants to reply, Sabah al-nur. Or he can say, Sabah al-ward. Flowery morning. Literally, the meaning is. So, Sabah al-ward. Also, you can respond as يسعد صباحك for males and يسعد صباحك for females. Let's go for greeting good afternoon or good evening. It means مساء الخير, مساء الخير. The response for good afternoon or good evening is the same as the response of good morning. So we just crop sabah and we put masa. So it becomes مساء النور. مساء النور means bright afternoon or bright evening. Also you can reply يسعد مساك. يسعد مساك for males and يسعد مساكي for females, which means like I hope your night, or literally it means like I hope your evening or afternoon is happy. For greeting hello or hi. Hello or hi, it means marhaba, marhaba. To response for hello or hi, which is marhaba, you can say marhabtain, marhabtain, which means two hellos. Now we reach the greeting welcome. So if you want to say for someone welcome, you can say it in a lot of ways. First way is ya hala. Second, أهلين وسهلين. Or you can say it أهلا وسهلا. Also, you can say 100 هلا. 100 هلا means 100 welcome. 100 هلا. Or you can say أهلين. Now we have this question, which is how are you? So after we say صباح الخير, صباح النور, now we want to ask about how are you? It is, for females, it is كيفك. For males, it is كيفك. For two persons or more, it is كيفكن. So, كيفك for females, كيفك for males, كيفكن for plural. To respond, the response is praise be to God. حمدلله بخير. حمدلله بخير. Or you can say great, which is تمام. All great, it means كله تمام. So all is كله and تمام is great. I am fine, it means منيحة or منيح. So منيحة for females and منيح is for males. Now you want to ask and you. To ask and you, for females you say وانتي كيفك. So انتي, it is you for females. And و is and. So وانتي كيفك females, وانت كيفك for males. So انت is you for masculine. وانتو كيفكن, it is for two or more persons. وانتو is for plural. انتو. وانتو كيفكن, you plural. For thank you, it is شكرا. شكرا. Now we have here some questions. So sometimes we want to ask what's up. What's up is شو الأخبار. شو الأخبار. What's your news? It is شو أخبارك for masculine. شو أخبارك for feminine. How is your family? كيف عائلتك. كيف عائلتك. So first, كيف is how is. عائلتك is your family. So عائلي is family. عائلتك is your family. عائلتك is your family for masculine. So عائلتك is for females. عائلتك is for males. كيف عائلتك and كيف عائلتك. to end the conversation. To end the conversation, we have a lot of words. You can use them. First, you can use اسمح لي. اسمح لي means give me permission. اسمح لي. The response is تفضل for male, تفضلي for female. So it means you're welcome. يلا باي. يلا باي, you can say it as in English, which is bye, or let's say bye. يلا باي. The response is bye. بنشوفك for masculine, بنشوفك for females, which is we will see you. بشوفك or بشوفك قريبا. بشوفك قريبا or بشوفك قريبا, which means see you soon. So if you see, always for females it is E, بشوفك, or تفضلي, it ends with E, and for males it is A, بشوفك or تفضل. Also here there is another way to end the conversation. You can say بالإذن. بالإذن, it means with permission. مع السلامة, it is the response. So when someone say for you بالإذن, you can say مع السلامة, with peace. Or you can say Allah معك, which means God be with you. The last thing that you can say it, which is good night. Good night, it is تصبح على خير. تصبح على خير. It means good night. The response is good night too, which is وإنت من أهله, or وإنتي بخير, or وإنت بخير. So all are good. إنتي is for female and إنت is for males. Here we have some exercises, so you can choose the correct meaning in the Lebanese Arabic greetings after you memorize them, after you know and you understand them.